Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning. Okay, so today we continue on our tutorial on chapter 1. Supposedly this one is our last tutorial for this chapter. Okay, question 21A. Solve the following systems using Gaussian elimination method with back substitution. Okay, the question is already mentioned that using back substitution method. So you need to solve. It is compulsory for you, wajib. Okay, solve using back substitution method. Okay, first of all, write the equation, this equation in terms of augmented matrix. So we have 1, 2, 3, and then 1, -1, 1. If we are using what we call it Gaussian elimination method with back substitution, first of all, we need to transform, change, okay? This value become 0. Okay, so now you want to change row 2. Okay, when you want to change row 2, make sure here plus row 2 only. Okay, it must be plus row 2. You cannot put any value here. Tak boleh ada sebarang nombor di situ melainkan positif 1 because you want to change row 2. Okay, only you can add or you can times any variables at this value here. Okay, awak hanya boleh darab dekat situ sahaja. So in this case, because this one is 2 by 2 matrix, you only have 2 row. So, and then at the row 1 is 1. Okay, so we know that 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So here you can put negative R1 plus R2. Okay, and then first copy the exact value from the previous one because row 1 not change. The changes on the row 2 only. So row 1, -row 1, -1 plus 1. So you can get 0. -2. -2 plus -1 become -3. And then -3 plus 1 become -2. And then, because this one is back substitution, you need to change the last items here as a 1. Okay, how to change -3 to become 1? You must times by -1/3. So you can get 1, 2, 3, copy the same value from the previous one. Okay, and then 0, 1, 2/3. Okay, and then what is your answer? Okay, your answer for why? Because there is substitution, you can get the back first. Okay, whereby back equal to 2/3. And then solving linear system, this one, you can get what we call it x equal to 5/3. Okay, make sure you must give the answer in terms of fraction because it is more accurate. Okay, kalau tak boleh buat dalam fraction, kalau soalan tu memang dah bagi dalam decimal, bolehlah solve dalam decimal. Okay, kalau soalan tu memang dah bagi dalam decimal. Okay, kalau soalan tu bagi dalam number of fraction, you must solve in terms of fraction. Okay. Okay, question B. You have the linear system which is x minus 2y equal to 7, 3x plus 2y equal to 5. Also a same thing, change to the augmented matrix. So you can get this matrix 1, -2, 7, 3, 2, 5. Okay, first you need to change. Okay, you need to transform. This 3 becomes 0. So, how you want to get 0 here? The first row is 1. So in order to get 0, the first row must times by -3 because we know that -3 times 1 plus 3, so you can get 0. Okay, and then the second one, -3 plus -2 is 6. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. Okay, and then the last one also a same thing. -3 plus 7 is -21. -21 plus 5 equal to -16. Okay, and then you must change this value of 8 to 1 because back substitution method. So how you want to change? Only way is the times by 1 over 8. After you times 1 over 8, so you can get 1. -16 times by 1 over 8 is -2. And then again, copy back in terms of equations. So you can get x minus 2y equal to 7. And the last one, y equal to -2. If you already have y equal to -2, and then you can find the value of x. Substitute in the equation first. So x minus 2 times by -2 equal to 7. Solving this one, so you can get x equal to 3. Okay? Make sure this all the step you must write correctly. Okay? Any problems? Now, looks on question C. Also a same thing. You have this linear equation. Convert to augmented matrix. So you can get 1, 2, 3. 2, -3, 1. Also a same thing. You want to change this 2 into 0. So how you want to change? Produce this equation. Remember, you want to change row 2. Make sure plus row 2 only. Dia tak boleh ada kat situ tiba-tiba awak nak buat minus -2 ke, tak boleh. And then minus negative R2 ke, tak boleh. Dia hanya boleh plus R2 because you want to change R2. Okay, make sure here only plus. Okay, doesn't matter whether you put at the in front or at the back, but make sure the value that you want to change only plus R2. Cannot times any number. Okay, and then you know that the first row is 1, so very easy to become 2 in order to produce 0. So you times by -2. Okay, so -2 times 1, -2, -2 plus 2, you can get 0 here. Second one, -2 times 2, you can get 4. -4, -4 minus 3, so -7. And then -2 times 3, -6. -6 plus 1, -5. And then also same thing, you must change this. -7 become 1. So you must times by -1 over 7. And then you can get this matrix. After you get this matrix, you must transform to the linear system. Jangan terus pergi jump ke jawapan. No, you must write this one first. Okay? We want to check whether you understand or not. Okay? Kalau awak faham sekalipun untuk kira, kalau awak tak tulis, so we don't know whether you understand or not. Make sure anything that you understand, you must write on the paper. Baru kita tahu awak faham. Kalau awak tak write on the paper, we don't know. Okay, kita tak boleh nak assume. Okay, make sure every single things you must write on the paper. So you can get x plus 2y equal 3. And then the second one, y equal to 5 over 7. Since you already get y, so also same thing, substitute y here, you can get x plus 2 times 5 over 7 equal to 3. And solving this one, you can get x equal to 11 over 7. And y equal to 5 over 7. So this is the answer for question C. Okay. Next, question D. Okay. Okay, also a same thing, you have this linear system. Okay, transform to augmented matrix, so you can get 1, 1, 1, 2. Okay, sini bukan sama dengan ya titik dua bertindih. Ataupun kalau awak nak titik dua bertindih, awak buat garis gitu pun boleh. Okay, it's up to you lah. Okay, and then 3, 2, -1, 8, 2, -3, -4, 0. Okay, and then this one, by using back substitution method, so we can produce this two value become 0 first by using row 1. Okay, this two value using row 1. So since row 1 equal to 1, it's very easy lah for you to produce this formula. So row 2 equal to negative 3 row 1 plus row 2. Row 3 equal to negative 2 row 1 plus row 3. Also same thing. So you can get 0. And then here -1, and then here -4, and then here -6 plus 8 is 2. Okay, and then the last row 0, -2 minus 3, -5, -2 minus 4, -6, -4 plus 0, -4. Okay, next our target is to transform this -5 become 0 by using row 2. Okay, jangan sesekali awak pergi guna row 1. Kalau awak guna row 1, awak akan dapat balik value kat sini. Because 1 here has a value dekat row 1 tu. So nak tak nak memang wajib awak kena guna row 2. Okay, when you want to transform this place, okay, become 0. So we know that here is -1, -1, and then here is -5. So symbol is equal, negatif. So mesti kena letak negatif. Kalau dua-dua negatif, mesti awak kena letak negatif kat depan. Kalau salah satunya positif, sama ada tambah tolak, so tak payah letak kat sini. Dia mesti positif. Okay? Ataupun kalau dua-dua positif pun awak kena letak negatif. Okay? Untuk letak formula kat sini. Okay? -5 row 2 plus row 3. Okay, what is the value you get? 0, 0. Okay? -5 times by -4, 20 minus 6, 14. Okay, -5 times by 2. Okay, so you can get negative 10. -10 minus 4, -14. Okay, and then our last target is to transform this 14 become 1. So you must times by 1 over 14. So you can get 0, 0, 1, -1. And then write in terms of linear equations. So you can get x plus y plus z equal to 2, -y minus 4z equal to 2, and then z equal to -1. Since you already get value of z, and then you can find value of y by substitute on the second equation. So you can get y equal to 2. And then also same thing, you already have z and y, and then substitute on the first equations, so you can get x equal to 1. Okay, that is the answer for question D. Okay, next, looks on question E. Okay, question E also a same thing. right, in terms of what we call it linear system, in terms of metric, okay, so you can get 1, -7, 4, 9, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Okay. Also, same thing this one. You must change this value become 0 by using row 1. Okay. So since all the items is 1, so you just negative R1 plus R3 for to change row 3, and then negative R1 plus R2 to change row 2. First, we change row 2, okay, become 0, okay, and then 7, -7 times -7, 7 plus 2 equal to 9. Okay, -4 plus 2, -2. And then -9 plus 2, -7. And then the second one, 0. And then -7, -7. 7 plus 3, 10. -4 plus 2, -3. -9 plus 4, -5. Okay, and next, our target is to transform this value of 10 become 0. So in order to produce this value of 10 become 0, so you must use equation row 2. Okay, row 2 is 9. So 9 should times by what value to become 10? So x equal to 10 over 9. Okay, that's why your friends times by -10 over 9 R2 plus R3. Okay, why we put negative here? Because both symbol are equal. So you must put negative. Is once is not equal symbol, awak letak positif. Okay. Kalau dia simbol dia equal, tak kisahlah dia positif-positif ke, negatif-negatif ke, dia mesti kena ada negatif. Okay. So 10 over 9 R2 plus R3. Okay. So rest dua row ni sama sahaja. Yang bertukar adalah row 3. So 0, 0. Okay. And then -2. -2 times by -10 over 9. So you can get berapa tu? 0 lah kan? Yang ni 0, -2. Okay. Okay, and then you can get -7 over 9. Okay, correct. That one is 7 over 9. And then the last item is -9 and -10 over 9 times by -7, and then plus -5. Okay, so you can get 25 over 9. Okay, it's correct. And then you want to change this value to 1. So darab silang je tu, awak darab balik dengan -9 over 7. So you can get 1 here. And then the second one, you can get -25 over 7 tu ya. Okay. So at Z, by right, this linear system, you can get Z equal to -25 over 7. And then solving Y, you can get -11 over 7. And X, you can get 86 over 7. That one for question E. Next, question F. Also a same thing. Okay, question F. 241,362, 212. Okay, so what is the value here? Also same thing, after you change, and then you want to change row 2 and row 3. Okay, row 3, negative row 1 plus row 3, and then row 2, negative 3 over 2 row 1 plus row 2. Okay, and then you can get for row 2 0. Okay, here you can get, is it 0 here? Okay, negative 3 over 2 times by 4, you can get negative 3 over 2 times 4. You can get negative 6 plus 6, so you can get 0. Okay, and that one, negative 3 over 2 plus 2. So you can get 1 over 2. And then the second one is negative 3 over 2 times by negative 2. Okay, plus 3. So you can get 6. Okay, next. You want to change the row 3. Row 3, negative row 1 plus row 3, you can get 0. Negative 4 plus 1, negative 3. Negative 1 plus 2, 1. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Okay, next. Your friend buat apa ni? Okay, dia change. Dia change interrow. Change interrow pun boleh. Sebab kat sini dah kosong kan. Okay, so you can change interrow. Bila you change interrow, awak akan dapat 0, negative 3, 1, 3. You change between row 3 and row 2. And then 0, 0, 1 over 2, 6. And then you want to produce this value become 0. Okay, so you can get become 1. Sorry, not 0, 1. And then you times by 2. So you can get 0, 0 to 12. Okay, so you have this linear system. Okay, so Z equal to 12. Okay, and then you can find value of Y. Okay, negative 3Y plus 12 equal to 3. Okay, and then Y equal to 3. Okay, and then you can find value of X. 2X equal to negative 2, negative 4, 3 ni. Okay, this one is supposedly negative ni, negative 12. Dia bukan positif tu sebab awak dah pergi ke sebelah sana kan. So it's become negative 12. Okay, so this one salah ni. Supposedly awak dapat apa tu? Negative 2 minus berapa tu? 12. Okay, and then negative 12. And then tu awak dapat berapa tu? Dapat supposedly here negative 13. Dapat tak? Okay, negative 13 Any problems? Okay, question 22A. Question 22A. So you have 4x minus 3 equal minus 3y equal to 9 to 3x minus 2y equal to 7. So this one, okay, change to augmented matrix. So you can get 4, negative 3, 9, and then 3, negative 2, 7. Okay. So now by using augmented matrix, so you need to change these two value become 0. Okay. Tapi kena buat satu-satu, dia tak boleh buat serentak. Okay. So first your friend change this one. So negative 3 over 4. Okay, negative 3 over 4 R1 plus R2. So here you can get 0. And then negative 3 over 4 times by -3 minus 2. So you can get 1/4. That one is correct. Okay, -3, sorry, -3/4 times by apa tu? 9. Times by 9 and then plus 7 equal to 1/4. Okay. Next. Apa ni dia buat ni? Row 1 times by, what is your purpose here? Row 1 times by 1/2. Saya tak faham kenapa awak buat ni. Okay. Supposedly from here, you must change this one first. Okay. -3 or -3 becomes 0. So maksudnya awak kena tukar situ. Okay. When you want to change that one, okay, you want to change that one, so you are using, you want to change row 1 equal to what? Plus row 1, here is row 2. So since this one is negative, here is positive, so sini tak boleh ada simbol negatif lah, dia positif. But what is the value here? Okay, so we want to change row 1/4 times what? To become 3. Okay, so x equal to 12 lah. So kat sini adalah 12. Okay. So from here, macam mana dapat? Okay, row 3 is static. Row 2 is static. 0, 1/4, 1/4. Okay, and then ni guna yang ni ya. Okay. Row 1 equal to 12 times 0 is 0 plus 4 here. So become 4. Okay. 12 plus times 1/4. So 3. 3 minus 3. So here is 0. Okay. 12 times 1/4. Okay. So you can get 3. 3 plus 9. So you can get 12 here. Okay. So yang ni. And then change. This one become 1. This one become 1. So row 1 equal 1/4 row 1. And then row 2 equal to 4 row 2. So what you get? Nah, awak faham tu ya? Saya tulis gitu ya tu berterabur dah ni. Saya tak ada space. Okay, so you can get 1, 0 and then 3. Okay, and then 0, 1, 1. Okay, so your answer is x equal to 3, y equal to 1. Okay, betul tak? Dapat? Okay, this one also same thing, convert to augmented matrix, so something like this. So next, our target, you want to change here 0. Okay, so times by row 2 equal to -5 row 1 plus row 2. Okay, so you can get 0. Okay, and then -5 times by 2, you can get -10 minus 4, -14. Okay, and then -5 times by -2, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Okay, so you can get this value. Next, our target. Ni saya tak faham kenapa awak buat macam ni ya? Apa tujuan awak buat itu? Sebab awak kena ingat, Gaussian elimination method, Gauss Jordan, awak punya aim, Gauss Jordan ya. Saya bercerita about Gauss Jordan because this question is Gauss Jordan. So awak kena aim adalah to become 1, 0, 0. Ni value lah. Okay. So here is already 0. So what is our next target? This one lah. To change this one become 0. Ni saya tak tahu apa awak buat ni. Okay. Doesn't matter. Dia sebab tutorial je kan. So tak apa. Okay. So our target from here. Saya tulis sini ya. From here. So you have 1, 2. 0, negative 14, negative 2, 13. Okay. And then you want to change this value. Okay, that one is row 1 equal to row 2 plus row 1. Okay. Row 2 awak adalah 14. Macam mana nak jadikan dia hapus ini? Jadikan 2. So kena darab dengan 1 per berapa? 1 per 7. Okay. Sebab 1 per 7 darab dengan 14, awak akan dapat 2. Since dia adalah value positif dengan negatif, awak tak perlu letak value lah. So from here what you get? Okay. So you can get this one negative 14, 13. Okay, this one also 1, 0. Okay, yang masalah sikit yang tu je akan jadi perpuluhan tu. Okay, because 1/7 of times by 13. Okay, and then minus 2. So you can get negative 1/7. Okay, and then this one is you must change to 1. So row 2 equal to negative 1/14 row 2. Okay, so you can get 1, 0, negative 1/7, 0, 1, negative 13/7, and negative 13/14. Okay, so your answer is x equal to negative 1/7 and then y equal to negative 13/14. Okay, correct? Dapat tak? Okay, question C. Okay, question C. Okay, so you have this linear equation. Okay, convert to augmented matrix, something like this. Okay, your friend ni dia buat macam mana ni? Okay, sebab kita punya aim nak kosongkan yang ni. So dia darab dulu, dia jadikan ni satu pun boleh, tak ada masalah. Okay, dia darab dulu sebab bila jadikan satu lagi mudah. Tapi dia akan jadi nombor pecahan juga, sama je konsepnya. So awak buat kerja 2 kali lah, tak ada masalah. Saya tak marah pun. Okay, so dia nak jadikan satu, dia darab dulu dengan 1/3. Ni space banyak lagi, tulislah sini. Okey, darab dengan 1/3, so awak akan dapat 1, 2/3, 1/3 and 3. And then next, our target is to produce this one become 0 by using row 1. Okay, so bila row 1 awak akan dapat yang ni lah. Okay, 0, 2/3, 4/3, negative 2, 0, negative 3, negative 1, negative 1. And then next, our target mana ni? To become here 0 by using row 2. Okay. And then awak akan, oh dia buat serentak ni. Dia buat sekali dengan yang ni. Tapi guna row 2. Boleh juga. Ni mesti tak suka cara saya ajar ni. Doesn't matter. Okay, so you can get 1, 0, negative 1, 3. 0, 1, 2, negative 3. 0, 0, 5, negative 10. Make sure tulis ya, apa ni kat depan ni. Ni awak nak tukar apa? Row 3. Nak tukar row 3. Tulislah. Ni nak tukar row 1. Tulislah row 1 equal. Okay. Oh, kita faham formula tu untuk apa. Okay. So you can get this value. And then next, our target here, this value and this value. Okay. So you can get, ya Allah, apalah awak buat ni. Macam mana? Oh, dijadikan ni pula 1. Boleh juga. Panjanglah kerjanya. Okay, so jadikan 1. So row 3. Mana awak buat ni? Okay, jadikan 1. Ni, saya tak faham. Okay. Sebab dia tukar ni. Tukar ni. Supposedly here you must write row 3 equal to 1/5 row 3. Baru dapat ni. Okay. And then sebab dia nak tukar jadi 1 ni. Okay. And then change this one become 0. So okay, awak akan dapat yang ni. Your final answer x1 negative 2. Panjangnya awak buat. Okay. Okay, next. Question number D. Okay. Question D also same thing. You have this question. Okay. X plus 2y plus 2z equal to 0. 2x plus 5y plus 4z equal to 2. And then x minus y minus 6z equal to 4. Okay. Change to the augmented matrix. Tengok. Okay. So and then you produce this one equal to 0. So awak akan dapat ni. Okay. And then next. Our target is. Dia nak tukar ni pula. Tukar dua ni. Menggunakan row tengah tu pun boleh. So awak dapat macam ni. Okay. Lepas tu. Ni dia nak jadikan 1. So dia buat ni. Okay. Tak ada masalah. And then negative row 3 plus row 1. Nak tukar yang ni. So dapat ini. Okay. Your final answer is x equal to negative 3/2. Y equal to 2. And z equal to negative 5/4. Okay. That's one for question D. Okay. Next. Faham ke tak tu? Okay. Next question E. Ni apa pula ni? Question E, the equation, okay, dia punya question E adalah solving. Question E, saya tengok soalan dulu. Okay. Sama je tu, awak kena expand the equation first. Okay, when you expand the equation, you can get this one. Okay. So you can get negative 5, negative 2, 7, okay, 4. Okay, negative 1, 4, negative 1, 0. 7, negative 1, negative 5, 1. Okay, correct? You must expand. Okay, and then transform. You must change this one become 0. So you can get apa ni? Oh, dia buat dulu jadikan 1. So bahagi. So dapat ni. Okay, and then negative. Negative 5, negative 1, F1, 2, negative, negative. Okay, correct. Okay, 0, 0, 0. Okay, and then 22. Okay, and then change this one. Ni dia nak jadikan yang tengah ni sebagai 1. So dia darab dengan 22 per 5/22. So dapat this one. Ni. Okay. Okay, and then change this one become 0. Okay. So awak akan dapat yang ni. Lepas tu jadikan 1 pula. Jadikan ni 1. Okay. And then last yang ni. Okay. So your answer here 11/6, 1, 13/6. 13/6 ni betul tak? Ha? 13/6 Okay, question F. Also same thing. Change to the augmented matrix. Okay, and then you want to change this one become 1 pun also can. So aku buat dapat macam ni sebab nak jadi mudahkan tu. And then next, you want to change become 0. Okay, so you can get this matrix. Next, awak ni suka kan jadikan tengah ni sebagai 1. Jadi 1 tak apa, doesn't matter. You can choose any method that you like. Okay, macam tu. And then next, you want to change. After that one become 1, so you want to change this value become 0. Okay, and then you can get this matrix. Okay, next. Yang ni dia tukar pula ni jadi 1. So after you get this one 1, and then you want to change these two value become 0. And then our last value is this 1, whereby x equal to negative 87/2, y equal to 27/2, and z equal to 15/2. Okay, that one question F. Okay, next. Question 23. Okay, 23 tu panjang dia punya ayat tu. Okay, a company produce a 3 product X, Y, and Z. Each item of product are required 20 unit of steel, 2 unit of plastic, and 1 unit of glass. Each item of product Y require 25 unit of steel, 5 unit of plastic, and no unit of glass. Each item of product Z require 150 unit of steel, 10 unit of plastic, and 0.5 unit of glass. The available amount of steel, plastic, and glass are 2,400, 310, and 28 respectively. How many items of each type can be company produce and utilize all the available raw material? So this question not mention which method you can solve. Okay, so paling simple sekali awak gunalah back substitution. Tu paling mudah sekali dah. But the most important thing, okay, before you write in this value, okay, awak kena tulis dulu dalam bentuk linear equation. Okay, jangan tulis macam ni, which is 20 x plus 25 y plus 105 z equal to 2400. Okay, and then 2x plus 5y plus 10z equal to 310. And then the last one, x plus 1/2z equal to 28. Okay. After you write this one, okay, and then transform to augmented matrix. Okay. After you transform into augmented matrix, and then you can solve lah. Okay. Okay, make sure you are not solving using linear system lah. Awak kena solving using matrix. Okay, yang ni awak dah darab ni, complicated ni awak solve ni. Okay, paling mudah buat je lah ni. Ni, solve 0, 0, yang tu. Okay, kalau awak dah solve 0, 0 dengan yang ni, awak akan dapat ni, terus dapat value kat sini je. Using this one. Okay, paling mudah. Okay, check balik ni. Panjang ni kalau saya nak tunjuk tu. Okay, make sure your final answer you can get x equal to 25. Okay, y equal to 40 and z equal to 6. Okay, make sure you check balik awak dapat jawapan tu. Okay, boleh? Make sure you check. At least awak guna ERO lah. ERO. Okay. Yang jadikan 30 sini 1. Back substitution method. Sebab dia dalam chapter metrik. Sebab yang ni awak dah guna solving system ni. Kalau macam tu baik awak tekan calculator dari awal. Okay. You know kan macam mana nak check whether your equation answer is correct or not by using calculator. Boleh, awak boleh check guna calculator. Okay. Okay, check Make sure your answer is x equal to 25, y equal to 40 and z equal to 6. Okay. Next. Ni. X equal to 25, y equal to 40, z equal to 6. Dia bukan macam ni. Okay, sebab ni awak tak guna sistem dia. Okay, next. Equation number 24. Okay, 24 also same thing. Okay, you have the questions. Okay, and then sebab situ dia dah mention write a system of linear equation in metric form based on the information given. So also same thing, this one you kena solve dulu ni. Oh my god, kalau dia dah suruh cakap dalam metric form, awak tak boleh solve guna ni, tak boleh. Okay, awak kena solve guna matrix, Gaussian elimination method. Okay, bukannya guna solving system linear equation. Sebab dia dah cakap situ. Okay, write a system of linear equation in metric form. So, awak kena solve guna matrix. Even though your value is correct, whereby x equal to 20 and y equal to 80. Memang betul, tapi salah. Okay, tak ada markah pun. Markah awak hanya dapat yang ni je, satu markah. Okay, make sure write it correctly lah. Okay, your final answer is 20, x equal to 20, y equal to 80. Make sure check balik Okay, next. Question 25. Question 25 also a same thing. Okay, it is given in terms of application problem. Okay, question 25 also same thing. Transform in terms of linear equation and then change to augmented matrix. So you can get this value. And then, okay, so apa ni dia buat ni? R2. Jadikan, dia jadikan R2 dulu kosong pun boleh. Okay. So awak akan dapat this matrix. Okay, and then after that one become 0. So you change this one become 0 by using row 1. Okay. So you can get this matrix and then change this value become 0 by using row 2. Okay, so you can get this matrix and then last one, change this one become 1. So you can get this matrix. Okay, and then write in terms of linear system. So z equal to 5. After you get the value of z, substitute z in the second equation. So you can get y equal to 5 also. Okay, since you already get y and z, substitute in the first equation, something like this. So you can get x equal to 4. So your final answer is x equal to 4, y equal to 5, z equal to 5. Okay. That one for question 25. And then question 26. Okay. Question 26 also same thing. Okay. So this one is already given the equation in the loop tu. Awak tak perlu nak fikir lita tu. Jangan tengok lita elektrik je. Sudah. Aku tak belajar lita, mechanical. Okay, doesn't matter. Sebab kita tahu tak semua orang belajar elektrik. That's why dalam sentence tu awak kena faham lah macam mana nak ambil. So when you abstract, you can get I1, I2, I minus I3 equal to 0. Okay, 13I1 minus 6I2 equal to 20. 3i2 plus 4i3 equal to 15. And then change in terms of augmented matrix. And then transform this 13 equal to 0 by using row 1. Okay. So you can get this matrix. And then the last one change. Apa ni awak buat ni? Okay, dia jadikan ni dulu 1. Okay, bahagi dengan tu. So you can get this value. Okay, and then transform this 3 become 0 by using row 2. So you can get this one. And then divide by 1, jadikan 115 over 19 become 1. So awak darab dengan 19 per 115 ni. So you can get this value. Okay. And then, salah ni. Okay, make sure check balik ni. Saya rasa awak salah kat mana lagi ni. Ini lagi ni. Okay. Because your final answer ni salah ni. Make sure check balik. Your final answer I1 become 2, I2 become 1 and I3 become 3. Okay, make sure check balik you get the correct answer, something like this. Okay, kalau awak dapat selain daripada tu salah tu, pecahan pelik-pelik tu salah tu. Okay, check balik. Dapat ke tak tu? Okay, question 27. So question 27, it is given in terms of table. After you transform to the matrix, you can get this matrix. Okay, and then you can get 30, 10, 20, 3, 4, 0, 10, 10, 20, 1, 8, 0, 10, 30, 20, 2, 2, 0. Okay. And then this one, apa ni dia buat ni? Apa ni? Oh, dia bahagi semua dengan 10. Okay. Doesn't matter. Kalau awak bahagi dengan 10, awak kena mention sini tau. Tulis. Row 1 equal to 1 over 10 row 1. Row 2 equal to 1 over 10 row 2. And then row 3 equal to 1 over 10 row 3. You need to mention formulation here. Apa sahaja yang awak buat. Okay. And then you get the value. And then you want to change row to, okay, dia buat yang atas dulu, tak ada masalah pun. Awak buat ni, this one become 0. Okay, so you can get this value. And then change this one become 0, you can get this matrix. Okay. And then, dia buat semua, tak ada masalah. Okay, this one change become 0, so you can get this matrix. Okay, and the last one, change this one, become 0. So you can get this matrix. Okay, so you can get 2x equal to 16, 2y equal to 4, and then negative 4z equal to 16. So therefore, x equal to 8, y equal to 2, z equal to 4. Okay, that is your final answer for question number 27. Okay. Next, question 28. Okay, also same thing, you have this table, something like this. And then transform in terms of augmented matrix. Ni pun sama juga ni. Awak nak tukar ni, awak kena tulis ni. Saya tahu ni awak tak nak perpuluhan ni, awak darab dengan 10 semua. So awak kena tulis row 1 equal to row 1 at 10 row 1. Row 2 equal to 10 row 2. Row 3 equal to 10 row 3. Anything here, you must write something like this. Ini. Okay. Okay. So you can get this value. And then next, you want to change row 3. Ni pun sama juga ni. Jangan tulis macam ni. Okay. Apa yang awak ubah ni? Row 3 minus row 2. Dia tak boleh ni. 3 row 3. Tak boleh ni. Salah ni. Even though your answer is correct, tapi jalan kerja awak salah, tetap salah. Okay, sebab awak tak boleh tulis row 3 tolak row 2. Ni. Okay. Negatif row at row 3 tolak row 2. Sedangkan awak nak change row 2. Awak nak tukar row 2, sini mesti kena tambah. So sini kena tulis tolak. Okay, you must put here plus and then here negative. Okay, salah tukar tu. Okay, sebab row yang awak nak tulis, that's why saya tulis row yang awak nak tulis sama dengan row yang awak nak tukar sama dengan apa. So this one must be plus. Okay, so aku buat dapat ni. Okay, walaupun jawapan dia sama, formulation awak salah, tetap salah. Faham? Okay, and then awak nak tukar pula yang ni. Yang ni pun sama juga. Apa dia? Okay, sama juga je ni. Okay, awak nak tukar row 3. Tulis row 3 equal to negative 2/5 row 2 plus row 3. Lain tau. Beza tu. Okay. Walaupun jawapan yang sama tapi berbeza. Sebab yang ni R3 yang negatif. R1 yang negatif, bukannya R3 yang negatif. Sebab row yang kita nak ubah, kita tak boleh buat darab dengan negatif. Sebab itu sudah merubah dia punya function. Boleh faham? Okay. And then, last one, you can get Z equal to 100, Y equal to 2 to 0, and X equal to 20. Okay. Even though your answer is correct, kalau jalan kerja awak salah, separuh daripada markah awak akan hilang. Boleh faham? Faham ke tidak? Okay, bagus. Okay, question 29. Also same thing, you have linear equation and then transform to augmented matrix. So you have 1, 5, 1, 12, 1, 6, negative 1 over negative 1.5, 0, 1, negative 18, 1, 0. Okay, so this one, you want to change row 2. Ni pun sama juga. You want to change row 2, kat sini tak boleh ada negatif. Sebab yang awak nak tukar adalah row 2. So when you want to change row 2, dia row 2 mesti positif. So dia akan jadi row 2 macam tu. Negatif row 1 plus row 2. Ingat, benda yang awak nak ubah tak boleh negatif. Tak kisahlah kalau awak tulis macam tu sekalipun, awak kena tulis negatif row 1 plus row 2. Macam tu, row 2. Faham? Okay, dia tak boleh. Row yang awak nak ubah tak boleh negatif. Dan tak boleh darab dengan apa-apa pun. Okay. So, awak akan dapat 0. And then, negative 5 plus 6. Dia dah jadi lain lah sini. Sini sepatutnya 1. Dia bukan negative 1. Sebab dia ada berubah dah situ. Okay. Walaupun jawapan akhir awak akan sama, tapi bila method salah tetap salah. Dia seolah-olah awak tak faham konsep. Okey, dia tak boleh. Jangan awak tanya kenapa tak boleh. Memang law dia macam tu. Hukumnya macam tu. Dia adalah addition. When you want to change any metric, any row of the metric by using the other row, konsepnya adalah addition the row you want to change. Dia bukannya operation. Kalau operation, you can put any value. But kalau addition the row, mesti kena tambah. Tak boleh. Faham? Okay. Okay, this one, sama juga ni. You want to change row 3. Ni tak boleh. Okay. And then, yang ni tak ada masalah sebab plus ni. Okay. And then, memang jawapan last kali pun lebih kurangnya ni sebab perpuluhan ni. Okay, you can check whether it is correct or not. Okay, for X 4.3823, okay, Y 0.5218, and then Z equal to 5.0087. It depend on the decimal places yang awak ambil lah. Mungkin tak sama dengan member awak yang lain. Sebab decimal places, okay? Okay. Next. Wih, panjang berapa soalan kita ni. Question 20. Question 30. Okay, also same thing. Ni pun sama juga ni. Hayat. You want to change row 2. Kenapa awak suka tukar row 2 sini dulu? Kan kita boleh buat direct 2 ni menggunakan row 1. Also same thing. When you want to change row 2, kat sini tak boleh negatif. Dia mesti plus negatif kat depan. Sebab value kat sini dah tak sama. Lain tu jawapan dia akan bertukar, sini jadi negatif, sini jadi negatif, sini jadi negatif. Okay? Also same thing. When you want, ni row 3 ni supposedly. When you want to change row 3, sini mesti positif dan sini negatif. Okay, so dia dah berubah. Sini lain-lain. Sebab sini tadi value dia negatif, negatif, negatif. So sini pun dah berubah ni. Simbol. Okay, yang ni tak ada masalah. Make sure check balik. Okay, and then yang ni, okay. Even though your final answer is correct, okay, separuh daripadanya tak ada markah. Separuh ya. Okay, even though you get the value ni sama. Okay, value dia akan sama. Tapi kalau method salah, tetap dikira salah. Maksudnya awak tak faham konsep. Okay. Sebab kita bukan tengok jawapan tau. Kita tengok how you understand the concept. Tambah pula duduk kat rumah dengan boleh belek bermacam-macam jenis buku, bermacam-macam jenis nota. Awak yang mana satu? Ni ke awak punya? Saya tak tahu awak punya mana satu. Kalau awak buat salah tu salah lah. Alif Razna Zafi. Apa ni? Patutlah kalau perempuan je you. Si ada bingkai-bingkai nah dia. Okay, 31. Okay, si ada bingkai-bingkai dia. Okay lah. Okay, so you can get in terms of augmented matrix. Okay. 1, 1, 1, 12. 1, 1.5, 2, 18.5, 0.5, 1, 2, 14.5. Okay, so change this one becomes 0. Okay, so you can get this one. Ni okay, because you want to change row 2 must be positive. Row 3 must be positive 1 row 3. So you can get this equation. And then next one, you want to change this one. Row 3, ni. Positive plus row 3 only. Okay, correct. And then, darab dengan 2. Dapatlah yang ni. Okay. And then you transform to a linear system. And then you can get Z equal to 4, Y equal to 5. X equal to 3. Okay? Boleh? Okay. And then next question. Wow. 32. Yang ni tak ada bingkai sebelah ni. Saya tolong buat lah. Okay. 1, 1, 1. 192, negative 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, so this one you want to change 0 for these two row. So you can get this matrix. And then next, you want to change this 0 by using this one. Okay, you can get this matrix. And then change this one become 1. Divide by negative 1 over 3 times by negative 1 over 3. So you can get 1 and 32. So your Z equal to 32, your Y equal to 64, your X equal to 96. Okay. And then our last question for today is equation 33. Okay. And then question 33 ni sebenarnya bukannya solving matrix pun. Awak darab biasa je. Okay. 8.8, 7.5, 6.4, 5.5 times by this matrix solving, and then you can get 2258 minutes. That is the answer. Any problems? No. So that's all for our tutorial for chapter 1. Next week, we continue on chapter 2.